Welcome to Installing Zotero, the first tutorial in the series Getting Started with Zotero. This brief video will walk you through the different components of Zotero and how to install them. So what is Zotero? Zotero is a free, open-source citation manager. Zotero is a powerful tool that can assist you with research and writing in several ways. Zotero allows you to create a personal library of citations by pulling in data from information sources, like books, journal articles, websites, and videos. Zotero allows you to organize your research sources into distinct collections, for example, by course or topic. And most importantly, Zotero can generate footnotes and bibliographies in Microsoft Word, LibreOffice, and Google Docs. Zotero has several different components, each of which must be installed to use it to its full potential. The first component is the Zotero app, a desktop client that serves as your personal Zotero library. The second component is the Zotero connector, a plugin that allows you to save information to Zotero directly from your browser. The final classification of components for Zotero is a set of plugins, including ones for word processing that allow you to import citations into your documents. Now that you know a little bit about Zotero, let's walk through the steps to install it on your device. Step 1 is to register for a free Zotero account. On the main Zotero page, select Register for a free account. Then fill in the registration information. Step 2 is to install the Zotero desktop app. Zotero should automatically detect which operating system your device uses and prompt you to download the correct app. Follow the system messages to download the app. Step 3 is to install the Zotero browser connector. Select and install the connector for your preferred browser. Step 4 is to install the appropriate plugin for your word processor. Click on Browse Plugins and navigate to Word Processor and Writing Integration. Finally, select Zotero Word Processor Plugins. Step 5 is to verify that your word processing plugin is installed. If you use Microsoft Word, Zotero should appear as a top-level menu that lists a series of options. In Google Docs, Zotero should appear as a top-level menu item with its own drop-down menu. If you are preparing for an in-person library instruction session, you can stop here. If not, you can view the next tutorial in this series, Importing Data into Zotero.